There, I'm Melody Ann. This is Author Nation, and I have a question for you. Do you want to get featured on podcasts or blogs or even local television and newspapers? Maybe you've been trying to do that, but you're struggling to get a yes. I'm here to tell you that the problem is not your book, it's your pitch. So, part of the solution, is a professional media kit that makes you easy to work with for hosts and producers. So a media kit is really, think about it like your press ready profile, right? It's this one-stop shop, everything a podcast producer, a host, a journalist, an influencer needs to feature you without chasing the details, because they don't have time to chase the details. So when you hand them all to them, it makes it easier for them to say yes. Because let's face it, most authors miss out on media opportunities because they're not pitching properly. They're not putting things in front of it. So the producers don't have time to put everything together. So when that happens, your email just goes to the bottom of the list, because media coverage isn't luck. It's preparation plus accessibility. As a podcast producer, interviewing people week in, week out, I interview, I do a blog post, I promote them out on my social media, I create social media posts for them to promote out. I put a lot of effort in, as do many hosts and producers and journalists. And what we need from the authors we are speaking to are professional media kits, really good cooperation, easy access to the information we need, like your bio that I'm going to read before I start asking you questions in the interview. So this is why most authors miss out on opportunities. And it's so simple. Just put together this brilliant media kit where I can find everything you want, or the podcast host of your choice can find everything they want. It's going to be a lot easier to say yes to you. And when people start saying yes to you, open doors to opportunity: podcasts, blogs, radio, print, newspapers, book bloggers. You start building authority because you look professional and you look prepared. You're not scrambling, and we like that. When I have a really good guest, sometimes what I do is I give them 2 or 3 more podcasts. I'm like, you know what? I know so and so and so and so. They're looking for guests. And because this guest is so professional and just so awesome to work with, I know that my fellow podcast hosts will love to work with them too. And it saves us time. I don't have to rewrite your bio or hunt for your headshot. I don't want to do that. So you get more opportunities, which means you're building your visibility, you're boosting your discoverability, not just for your readers, but for also other opportunities. So what makes a media kit powerful? Clear positioning. We want to know who you are. Why are you the right person? Strong visuals. I want an image of you. I want an image of your book. I'm going to need that for promotion, so make sure I have it right from the start. Conversation starters. Give me interview angles. Give me an interesting bio. Give me a set of questions that you'd love to answer. And easy access. Make things really clickable so that I can just I can grab your the link, your universal link for your book, and I can put that in my podcast description, so the people listening who want to become your readers can find things really easily. If I can't find your links, I can't share them with my listeners, which means your potential readers can't find them. So make it easy. So, and on top of this, on top of a media kit, I'm going to suggest you include a one sheet. Think of it as like a quick reference. It's really perfect for podcasts. It's like, here's your dance card, right? it's your dance card with frills on the edges. So once you have your media kit, start pitching podcasts with confidence, of course. Send it to bloggers, send it to journalists, put it on your website. Have a press page where you shows you've been on, and your media kit on the side, so anyone there can download it and think, yeah, I want her on my show too. And share it when you're applying for summits or speaking gigs or podcasts. So if you want to create a strong media kit that will get you noticed and get you booked, I have a 5-day challenge for you where we're going to build your kit step by step so you can land the interviews you want and boost book sales. And I'm going to drop the description in the link below. And I hope to see you there.